up, fuckers? We on the fucking way to go fly some motherfucking quads at a new destination. Not sure how well it's gonna be, but fuck it, we're just gonna rip a few packs, maybe move on from there afterwards. We'll see what's up. Gonna link up with the Quad Savages, our fucking crew. So we'll see. You guys will see them there in a second. Ah!
I'll just borrow Danny's.
I have one like that. What do I do? Put mine on like that with a pad? I'm mossed up right now. Lights them on. Oh, dude.
We out here.
Little guys don't like moss.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Cut it off and put an angle stop on it, and then connect the front, you know, connect the 3/8 to the angle stop.
When we flying, Josh is always working.
Plumbing life. What's that? Josh, did you have your video on record there? Yeah, good idea, right?
So fellas, we just got kicked out of the first spot.
And I'm having fun. People just want to judge you, but we're at a church spot, and I thought, you know, I grew up a Christian, so you would think somebody's not having fun. There's nobody around for miles, you know. It's
That's how it is, man.
it's messed up, man. And I get upset. You wanna know why? Because it's the second organization like this that has done the same thing.
Yeah.
Where we've had a nice spot, open field, pine trees, not hurting anybody.
Right, yeah.
You know, and then what do you get?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse us, this is public property, not public property. Okay.
But they'll let a dope head shoot crack up right there, right?
Right. But a dope head walks through yelling at everybody, and we're like, wait.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay though.
That's okay though.
Well, on to the next spot, boys. Wherever that's gonna be.
Wherever that may take us.
Yeah. We're ready to get kicked out of that spot too.
Hashtag life with drones.
what I just did. I'm alright.
Quad rescue.
He's awesome. You don't see that on a YouTube every day.
Look, he's going to get the drone. Come film him, Coop. Don't hit him, though. Quad savage. Yep. You gonna fly it out?
That's a fucking serious lifeboat, man.
Unplug it.
That yellow connected. View spot.
Are you in?
Oh my god. No.
Are you in?
No. 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 Where'd you get it stuck, dude? Where'd you get it stuck?
A fucking palm tree.
Oh no.
Got Chris with the
A fucking palm tree.
We need Chris's stick.
It literally looks as big as that one right there.
Oh no.
Coop, are you in?
Yeah, I'm on. Just don't do nothing crazy to impress me.
No, hell no. Yeah.